Passwords. Made easier and safer for everyone. With myaccount.humber.ca.
Hi, I'm Jenny from the IT Support Center, and I'm here to help you manage your password at myaccount.humber.ca. Signing up is easy, and the benefits are huge. Benefits like not waiting in line for a password reset, or waiting on the phone, or using chat. Best of all, it will make your credentials more secure. Register your account at myaccount.humber.ca. Sign in with your username followed by @humber.ca and click Next. Enter your password and click Sign in. If you don't know your password, you will need to contact the IT Support Center, but after you've registered your account, you will never need to contact us for a password reset again. After you have entered your password, you will be asked for more information. Click Next. There are 3 methods of setting up your account, and you will need to use 2 of them to register your account. You will use either your email, phone, or the Microsoft Authenticator app. Let's start with your email. Click the "I want to set up a different method" and choose Email from the drop-down box. Enter your email address and click Next. A code will be sent to the email address you registered. Check your inbox for the code. Enter the code from the email and click Next. And that's one method done. But you need to do a second method. You can do the phone as your second method, or if you want to do the Microsoft Authenticator, just click on the "I want to set up a different method" and choose Authenticator app in the drop-down box. Let's first go through the steps for registering your phone, and then the Microsoft Authenticator, but remember, you only need to set up 2 methods. After you have registered one device, the page will bring you back to your choices. For the next example, we will register your phone to My Account. Choose Canada from the drop-down menu, and then enter your mobile number in the space provided. Use the Text Me a Code option to have a code sent to your phone. Check the mobile device you registered. A code should have been sent. Enter the 6-digit code from your mobile device in the spot, and then click Next. You will know it was successful when your mobile code is verified. The last registration option is the Microsoft Authenticator app. Start by going to your App Store or Google Play and download the Microsoft Authenticator. Once you have it installed, come back to this window and click Next. Follow the instructions in the app, and when finished, click Next. Once the Microsoft Authenticator is set up on your phone, it will prompt you to scan the QR code displayed in the window. If you have trouble scanning the QR code, you can click Can't Scan Image. Otherwise, after you scan the code, click Next. Once your account is all set up on your phone, let's test it out. Back on your phone, in the Microsoft Authenticator, you should see this message. Click Approve and then go back to the window on the computer. Ta-da! You are set up with the Microsoft Authenticator. Click Next to go to your My Account page. Once you have set up 2 methods, this is your My Account page. If you need to change your information, simply use the Security Info area. You can see what you currently have registered, and you can click on the Add Sign-in method to add or edit your mobile or email. Now that you're set up with 2 different methods, if you forget your password, you will be able to reset your password using those 2 methods as authentication. If you cannot remember your password, click on the Forgot My Password link on any Humber logon window. Your username should auto-populate, but if it doesn't, just type it in and remember to add the @humber.ca. Then enter the characters in the picture or the words in the audio. Don't worry, if you're not too sure about the letters, you can refresh with new ones. Just follow the instructions, entering the information you registered on the myaccount.humber.ca page to confirm your identity. And now you can change or reset your password without contacting the IT Support Center. It's important to know that multi-factor authentication is mandatory at Humber, and setting up your myaccount.humber.ca page will be the first step you will be obliged to take. Multi-factor authentication is an authentication method that requires you to provide 2 or more verification factors to gain access to most Humber resources off campus. So if you ever see this window, don't click Skip Setup. If you need us, you can call, chat, or even come visit. Goodbye.